The 2025 Kia Motorhome isn't just another vehicle, it's a bold declaration of independence. It tears away from tradition and redefines what it means to explore. This is freedom engineered with precision, crafted for wanderers who crave limitless horizons. If you thought motorhomes were just rolling boxes, prepare to be proven wrong. What you're about to see is in a league of its own. One look and it hits different. Coated in a vibrant yellow that radiates confidence, the body's sculpted lines and tough stance screen capability. It's a vehicle that's not afraid to be seen. Rugged black panels, aggressive off-road tires, and red signature accents amplify its untamed personality. This motorhome doesn't try to blend in, it demands attention. Step through the sliding door and enter your personal mobile oasis. The U-shaped lounge adapts in seconds, whether you're chilling out or serving a hot meal. A slick motorized table rises into place, while the kitchenette stays sleek but deadly functional, complete with an invisible induction cooktop, modern sink, and efficient fridge. At night, you can unwind beneath the stars, thanks to the panoramic skylight. Wherever you wander, you stay connected. A vibrant infotainment hub keeps things smart, GPS ensures you stay on track, and the premium speakers turn your road trip into a concert. Solar panels quietly recharge your setup as you roam, supporting a quiet, self-sufficient lifestyle without needing to plug in constantly. Priced from around $90,000, this isn't built for quick weekend camping, it's a mobile base camp for the curious and committed. Capable of handling both city cruising and remote trails, this Kia merges resilience with refinement. You're not sacrificing comfort, you're upgrading every mile. Forget the clunky, gas-guzzling RVs of the past. The 2025 Kia Motorhome is smarter, sleeker, and infinitely more livable. Whether you're chasing remote sunrises or escaping for a spontaneous weekend, this machine offers freedom without friction. It's not just a camper, it's your passport to a better way of living.